It's typical. Get to Mount Cook. One night only over here to hike. And obviously it's heavy rains. And it rains pretty intensely right now. So it's raining pretty heavily. But it's my only time that I'm gonna be over here. Oh, look, a rainbow. It's my only time that I'm gonna be here in Mount Cook. Well, I have tomorrow as well, but there's so many great places to see. I can't waste one day staying in a hostel because of the rain. So I left my main shooter. I'm just going with my phone because it's waterproof. And I'll see how it goes. Hopefully some of that rain will dissipate. And that's where I'm going. Over there. So hopefully it's gonna stop raining a little bit. Just so I can get the views. I don't mind the rain, like I'm not gonna melt, and I have some pretty good waterproofing on me. But just so that I can get some good shots, that would be pretty sweet. The clouds would get away just for like at least half an hour when I'm gonna reach Kea Point. Catch you guys later. I just had a pretty intense streak of rain hit me. I'm literally all soaked through. I can feel the water seeping into my shoes. That's the worst part. I mind my legs being wet. The jacket protects my upper body, but the shoes, that's not ideal. However, like this can't stop me from going. So I remember when I was in Taupo, we were going to Kea Falls with Larissa, and suddenly there was like this hailstorm happening, and we were hit like midway hiking to that place. And there were some other two girls with us. I think they were like German tourists, German hikers, and the hail hit us, and those girls just waited for the first kind of show of light, and they decided to get back to the hostel. So they kind of, retreated halfway through and went back. And Larissa and I have kind of pushed through, as you can see on the video. And after a couple of minutes, maybe 10 minutes later, the rain completely stopped. And and it was sunny, amazing weather afterwards. And it just hit me. If it was those girls' only opportunity to visit Kea Falls, they have just lost it because of, just a little bit of rain. Who knows, they might not be able to ever see them again. Another adversity threw at me. It seems one of those gusts of wind had blown off my rain cover. I tried looking for it, but it's gone. And this backpack is not waterproof, so it's gonna get completely wet. I need to figure out a solution for it. But I'm determined. I'm getting to Kea Point today. Beautiful sights. And a rainbow. I'm not sure if you can see it on this camera. It's not the best quality. Alright, I got to the DOC hut. Originally the plan was to go to Sealy Tarns, but it's a 3.5 hour return. I don't think it's reasonable to do it in this weather. So I'm just gonna go to Kea Point. Those mountains would have looked so magnificent if it wasn't for the rain and the clouds. So much snow over there. Yeah, I'm soaked wet completely. I can feel the water in my shoes. Good times. So Kea Point. That's it for me today. Don't want to get pneumonia. I mean, unless the weather clears up afterwards, so I'm gonna go back to Mount Cook village. Who knows? We'll see what happens. Look at them views though. I know it might look funny what I did there with the backpack and, you know, underneath my jacket and all, but it just makes sure that after losing my rain cover, what I have in my backpack won't be completely soaked. And hey, I mean, you know, if something is stupid but it works, it ain't stupid. Check this out, can you see those waterfalls? I'm shooting on my phone, so the quality probably will be terrible. But this is so awesome. Those mountains look so majestic. I feel like I'm in the Lord of the Rings. Over there should be the magnificent Mount Cook. I'm not able to see anything. I mean, this is what happens when you hike in the right? You might be really happy that you did it, but you gotta miss the views. Hopefully tomorrow is gonna be a little bit better. But this is still magnificent. So beautiful. Those are those moments, right, when the wind, the weather, the rain just tries to stop you, but the Viking inside of you won't let it. I am soaking wet, and I love it. This is absolutely worth it. Oh, the wind is crazy. Alright, I think it's my cue to leave. Like, it's so strong. The wind is so strong that the raindrops hurt my face when I hit it. Check this out. That's what I'm working with here. That's the weather that I'm talking about. And the other shoe. I knew that this would be a challenging hike in this weather. So much fun. Hopefully I won't be sick. So I decided to go back to the village a little bit different way. I hope I'm on the right way. I mean, it seems so. Like I'm walking on those like wooden things to keep me off the ground, so hopefully I'm on the right way. I want to get into some dry clothes like right now. I am soaking wet down to my boxers. Like everything is wet. As long as I won't be sick, which would obviously ruin the rest of my trip, it's gonna be well worth it. Hopefully by tomorrow this weather will move on, because I have the Hooker Valley Trek planned, and that one has 3 swing bridges, and like swing bridges are a challenge to me in great weather, even when it's sunny, let alone in like something like this. Plus it would be actually pretty awesome to see Mount Cook finally. I mean, that's why I came here, right? Cool. I think 1 more hour and I should be back in civilization. All right. What? I need to cross this in order to get there. See, this is the path. This is where I came from. This is what's happening over here. By the way, look at that stunning waterfall over here. I know it's shot on a phone, potato quality, but trust me, it looks amazing. Yeah, but I need to cross this somehow. Fun times. I'm gonna try over there. Made it! Alright, so I was there just a second ago. Look at those waterfalls. Rain on the lens, sorry for that. Look at those waterfalls. 1, 2. There's plenty of them. Again, I know the quality will be terrible on the phone, on the video from the phone. But hey, you know what? You guys just need to come over here yourselves and experience this yourselves in rain. Alright, I think I might have overestimated the time of coming back. I think it's just gonna be another 30 minutes, hopefully, and I should be back. Unless there are some more streams that I need to cross. Yeah, so I gave up on protecting the backpack with my jacket. I mean, with heavy winds at this point, you know what, if some batteries and like some stuff gets wet, it's all about like keeping my core temperature up. It's getting a little bit cold, to be fair. Fortunately right now I'm in between some bushes. It's not as windy over here, and I hope that it's gonna be mostly like that towards the end of the hike. Still happy though. Trust me when I say this, it's so cool when you see this live. See all of those white streaks over here? Those are all different waterfalls. I think my lens is a little bit wet. This is so dope. Water constantly on my lens. Well, you have to believe me on my word. This looks so epic. Woohoo! Back to civilization. I'm saved. Cheers for watching, guys. If you liked it, then click a like button, subscribe, leave me a comment if you had similar experiences. And I'm gonna get dry now. See you next time.